Okay, me and Michael hopped on here. Just kind of wanted to go over this guy's funnel. No hate to this guy. We're trying to give some advice here on how you guys can actually improve your funnels and what important parts it takes to scale an offer to a high level.
Mhm.
So yeah, let's take it away.
Yeah, and major thing for anybody who's watching who is currently running an offer, managing an offer, any of the all of the above, pay attention to what this gentleman may have not gotten too right, too on point. These are tiny red flags that if they pop up in your business, major indicator that you should probably go ahead and fix them. And stay until the very end. We'll kind of dive into how you should fix them, what's most effective, and what you can expect if this is solved. But let's dive right into it.
100%. So let's just start with his Instagram. Obviously, posting more lifestyle stuff, which is great, but we all know what this is going to attract. What type of people is the McLaren, is the watches, is the Miami lifestyle going to attract? Probably some younger guys, probably some guys that aren't as financially qualified, but is what it is.
Hmm.
In terms of the organic content, it's a lot of videos, it's a lot of talking head, which is fine. I think that's going to build a lot of trust with the audience, but the main thing is now all these individuals, all the leads are going to be funneled onto this right here. This is his link tree. So there's
Hmm.
the YouTube, which long form YouTube, if we switch to this tab here, he has some good trade recaps. He's giving a lot of value here, which is good.
Hmm.
I say his actual like marketing and everything he's doing there is pretty solid. But if we go back to here, now we're going straight to a community, right? Um, there's a free Discord. There's a $97 a month Discord, and then right here with little to no
Side
nurture,
ticket.
1,500, which
Yeah.
is mid to high ticket depending on kind of where you want to go with everything. But this is a major problem because this is going to just scare people away. $1,500, that's going to scare a lot of people away. And even just having something like this with no landing page
Mhm.
leading to what they're even getting inside of it. Let's say we click join now, doesn't even tell me anything. It just says
Can
97 a month
can you
with no.
explain? Can you explain, Ryan, why it's not efficient to like show everything at once as opposed to like an ascension funnel?
Yeah, that's a really good question. So, what we need to do is obviously it's 2025. People are always resistant to spending money, right? And if they think you're just trying to sell them a course, they're not likely to trust you much either. So, what you want to do, like Michael was saying, is run an ascension funnel. You want to first provide them value, give them the free stuff, right? Once they've gotten enough out of the free stuff, now you've built enough trust, built enough value that they're actually willing to pay you $100 a month.
Hmm.
Right. Where now, if they see here, oh, this guy just wants my money, there's all these different options, they're going to be deterred a little bit. So, what you'd want to do is just have the free Discord as more of like a lead magnet, give some sort of value there, upsell them with a small CTA, maybe story CTAs, stuff like that to get them inside this community. And then from there, mentorship should only be on a call, especially 1,400. Should probably
Exactly.
raise the price on that as well. But that's just step number one. If we go back here, free call.
And I just want to add one quick thing. If you can go back to that tab, where he has all three, if he wanted to keep everything the exact same way it is now, two little tweaks you can do is make every single price point something different. Name it something different. Charlie Morgan's a great example of this, but what he does with his school groups is similar. People can go and technically apply to his higher tier school group, and then the one above that, and the one above that. And when you buy the more expensive thing, you get everything that's cheaper. However, people don't know the price, first of all. That's the biggest problem. He needs to find a way to completely hide the price, and WAP might be the problem. So either migrating or changing settings, whatever. You do not want people to be able to see the price. But number two, like Ryan said, they should come in and ideally already have a very good idea of what they're getting. So there should be a VSL and a breakdown of like what the offer is and why they should pay you 97 if they want to skip the free stuff, or if they want to skip 97 and go to 1,500, they should know why they're doing that. But ideally, you want them to come in, start to use the free stuff, and pay for the bigger stuff. Start to use the bigger stuff and pay for the even bigger stuff. That is ideally how you get somebody to check those boxes in their head to say, okay, I'm now ready, able, and willing to pay you more money. Because if you go straight for the 1,500, you can close some people. But if that price tag's there and it's clear that there's people who are getting less value and they're paying less, it's just going to be very confusing, and people don't buy when they're confused. which is a very, very, very big part. So him just simply branding these differently could help. Oh, okay, that's different. That's different. Or making the other two disappear and then only allowing people to upgrade once they go through the free community. But yeah, you go ahead.
100%. And on that point, as we talked about earlier with the ICP, like the ideal client that he's actually attracting with the marketing, with the post that he's making, this is going to deter them a lot. A lot of these guys, like I said, are going to be less financially qualified. They see 1,500, they're out. They're going to close the page.
Yeah.
They're done. And they're just automatically not going to trust them as much. Another thing here, like I was saying with value, the only difference between this and this is it has premium in the name.
Exactly.
This and this, it just says one-to-one mentorship. There's no actual value given on the front.
Right.
If we see right here, real-time market analysis, yeah, that's not gonna convert a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
So if we go back to this tab where we have everything right here, free call. What does this free call get you? What is this? It's just straight to a Calendly link, and there's even an error on the Calendly. So let me see if that's just a Wi-Fi error or there's actually an error.
Please be a Wi-Fi error.
That's gonna be sad if there is.
There we go.
Yeah. We have a Calendly link, and let's see. Let's have it load up here. And it shows that you have no one interested in your program because you have a slot open every single day.
Yeah.
Or the next, you have every single slot open all day, which you need to only have two. You only need to have slots open 2 days ahead of time. So if today's Friday, first off, it's almost 9 p.m. You shouldn't have any slots still able to book for the rest of the day. You should have Saturday, Sunday open, and that's it. That's a big problem. Also, it's a free call for what? If you're interested,
read the description on the left.
Yeah, but who's gonna read that?
No, but even
landing
then,
page. There's no.
If you read it, like this means nothing. Hey, everyone, if you're interested in joining the mentorship program, want to learn more about what's included or have any questions, but like, you're pretty much what you have to sell somebody on jumping on a call with you. Like people don't realize this, but you will get 100 more times the amount of bookings if there's real good incentive and people know what they are going to get out of a call. Whereas if it's just like, hey, let's jump on a call and see whether or not maybe this is something you want to do, who's got half an hour to just randomly throw around? Or if anyone does, definitely not going to be the kind of person you want to be talking to. 100%. Right? So major problem there too.
And another problem with this as well is, like, obviously we want to get them on an actual landing page, give them a VSL, a funnel. I wonder what this guy's show rate is, because I also opted into his funnel before this and I didn't get a single text. I just got a Calendly email confirmation that they send to everyone. And I didn't get a single call from an appointment setter, which this is a problem on offers that even have a dialed in funnel. Yeah. There's no speed to lead, and these leads are just dropping right through the cracks. So I'd be curious to know what this guy's show rate is. I would put a lot of money that it's below 50%. Because there's no nurture material. There's no reason for them to show up to the call,
Exactly. It's funny you say there's no speed to lead. Sometimes there's not even this is not a term. There's not even delayed to lead. Sometimes people aren't even getting a call an hour later, a day later. Like there's no contact, whether it's through a text conversation, which is the bare minimum, through email, or through what is most important, highest leverage phone call. That's just not happening. You need to have all three, or at least one of the three, and we know what's the most important. If none of that's happening, once again, you don't have enough ammunition to jump on a call in 2025 when trust is an all-time low, competition is at an all-time high, information is commoditized. Like you're literally stacking the odds not in your favor, you're putting them against your favor, if that makes sense, by doing your funnel or setting up your funnel this way. Right. So it's just so many things that are so many gaps that are so easy to fix. That frankly no one thinks about oftentimes.
100%. And another thing is I don't disagree with auto book funnels. I don't think it's the end of the world. However, you're going to have a big drop off rate. We were working with an offer that is doing a lot of money every single month. This is a massive offer in the space. Their funnel is completely dialed in, right? But we were just doing straight auto books, and the setters were trying to call them all day, reach out, text. There's a ton of automations, and the show up rate was still 30%. This is a massive offer with everything else dialed in. That just shows how important speed to lead actually is, and them getting on a phone call with the setter, right? They're going to be way more nurtured. They're going to build way more trust, and they're going to have a homework assignment. This is another massive thing, right? A small little nugget. You need to give your lead a homework assignment before they hop on the call, right? Number one, this is going to frame up and posture up the closer as they're someone of value. Like, you have to impress this person. Those are the easiest lay down deals you're ever going to get, is when the setter says, hey, you gotta show up for this guy. Like, this guy is kind of trying to vet you out. That's where the tables turn. That's where you can actually get leads to convert at a much higher level. But on top of that, you need some sort of homework to get them nurtured and get them in the buying pocket. If you've seen any of our other stuff, the buying pocket is one of the most important things, not only like to focus on a sales call of not pushing them out of it or too far out of it on either side, but a massive part of it is like the person.
What is the buying pocket?
That's a really good question. The person needs to be in the right mindset, basically. That is the buying pocket to come in and buy. They can't have too much doubt in themselves, or they're just going to believe that it's never going to work if they think it's way, way too hard.
Right.
If they think it's way, way too easy, they think they don't even need help. Right?
Exactly.
The buying pocket is really important, that you get them in this mindset where they know it's possible, but they know it's not going to be easy enough to do on their own, and they're ready to take action. They have urgency and intent, which is what the setters can do. Is they can already build a gap before they get on the call, and they have intent. They have intent to change their situation, some sort of urgency behind pain to get them to actually move. And when you have all of those things, they're in the buying pocket, they have intent, and they have urgency. That's where you can actually close deals at 30%, 40%, 50% close rates and above, which is how you're actually going to need to convert if you're running a massive offer or want to scale your offer.
And I think, just to add on to this, I think the reason he's running it this way is because I think it's safe to assume almost 100% of all the traffic that he gets is organic. A lot of guys who run organic offers or all their lead flow is completely organic. They don't feel the need to go build a VSL. They don't feel the need to go create a funnel. They don't feel the need to send nurture material. There's like this presumption that everyone's ready to buy from like day one. And maybe he's had that experience with a couple people. But like, realistically, once the organic, no matter what, whether it's paid ads, whether it's organic, like, once again, we're in 2025, almost 26, things are much more competitive and much harder than they've ever been before. The standard to just be able to get to 50K a month is up 1, 2, 3 notches from where it was last year, right? Just to be at the same revenue level. So like, this just doesn't fly. Guys think they have an organic funnel. You got to treat it as if you're putting thousands of dollars into ads. Have a solid funnel, have setters, speed to lead, automation, sequences, all the bare minimum, nurture material being sent out. Like, you're just not going to get to where you want to go without that.
Unless you want to stay at 20, 30K a month with your offer, and
at the most
go to some nice dinners in Miami and you're good, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
But I'd hope if you're watching this video, you don't want to do that. You want to be one of those people that can actually scale your offer to multi 6 figures a month, which is all that we do. We scale offers to multi 6 figures a month. And obviously millions of dollars a month. That is the ultimate goal of what we do, because we've realized how you can actually change your life with these offers, but how also that you can just build a massive team and business around yourself to get true freedom, right? Which is what we really come in and do. Stop sharing my screen to me. At the end of the day, this is what Michael and I are doing all day, every day. And again, no hate to this guy. We hope him all the best, and hopefully you can watch this video and take something away from it. But with that being said, we do this all the time. And what we'd like to do is extend a free offer to everyone that is watching this video. If you've made it this far, congratulations. Just basically a free sales system audit where we can go ahead, take a look at your sales systems. Again, not roasting you too hard, but trying to see where the leaks are in the actual system, where we need to come in and make some changes so we can make you guys a hell of a lot more money in info, since it's not as easy as it used to be. So yeah, if you guys want to book that, you can book that down below. You're going to be either talking to me or Michael, not a closing team or anything like that. We take this pretty seriously and we do these all ourselves. So we're looking forward to seeing on you there. I don't know if you have anything else to add, Michael.
No, that's it. It's all about, getting that tough love. You don't want to grow in business and become the kind of leader and the kind of business owner by having everybody be a yes man to you and just affirming everything you do, because you're just not going to grow. You're not going to get to where you want to go. And frankly, it's not what we're looking to do. Like, plain simple, with Ryan and I and the Runway Growth experience, Being able to scale offers comes through like tough conversations and doing things most people just frankly don't want to. Ask yourself that question. Do I want to scale? Am I willing to change the way I do things now? If you're stubborn and you don't, no need to book in a call. You'll save us and yourself a lot of time. If you do know, on the other hand, that that's something that you're looking for, then you're open to like a 15-30 minute discussion where like you get nothing but pure value and there's no commitment necessary. It might be worth your time, especially if you are looking to talk to somebody who's been involved in this head to toe for the past 2 years the way Ryan and I have. So everything's going to be super simple. Literally below, there's one link. Go straight to our funnel. Look at our VSL. You get to vet our stuff, and you book in, right? And then we can get the chance to talk about how we can help you out and finally get you scaling.